Today, I'll show you how to make this authentic Japanese miso soup with this easy, quick, and delicious recipe. Perfect for beginners, this traditional miso soup features umami-rich miso paste, soft tofu, seaweed, and green onions for a comforting and healthy dish. Whether you're looking for a simple Japanese soup recipe or a cozy vegan option, this miso soup delivers on taste and nutrition. Subscribe below for more easy recipes and everyday cooking tips. Now let's get cooking. First, we have Hondashi. It is sold in a box and inside they're pre-packaged like this. If you open the package, it is granules inside. Then we have tofu and the miso. You can use any tofu you like. I prefer silken tofu that I cut it into small cubes. Back to the miso paste, I prefer the Shiro miso or the light brown miso. This is what it looks like. For the dried seaweed, you can use either one, but I prefer the first one. The second one, you don't eat the seaweed, you just use it for the flavor. This is what it looks like. It was a much bigger and longer bunch when first bought. I've been using it, so now it's a little bit left. You can cut it using scissors or use your hand if you're using a small mound. Heat up 5 cups water in the pan. Once the water boils, add 2 grams of the cut seaweed. When the seaweed softens, add 2 to 2.5 tablespoons miso paste, depending on your preference, in a strainer. This is to prevent the miso from clumping. Cook until the miso dissolves. Add about 1/3 of the cut up tofu, 1 tablespoon Hondashi, and salt to taste. Your miso soup is ready. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.